Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. So, guys, I'm going to do a live stream today so that we can discuss about the technical analysis for the market. So, I hope that my screen should be clear in front of you. And I just hope that let's do the technical analysis because it's good that we do some sort of live streamings during the week so that maximum people can get the benefit from the services. Moreover, those subscribers who have not contacted me on WhatsApp, they can also contact me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number 92318 6732851. Meanwhile, you can have a chat with me in this live stream and we will talk about the technical analysis of the market. And meanwhile, I will also talk about the indicators that we are using and I will give the technical analysis based on the trading system indicators and I will throw my light on the possible factors of the market that what could be the next move of the market on the different currency pairs. So guys, as you can see on the screen that I'm using different type of indicators. And the other one is I'm also using the trend dashboard. This is called Forex trend dashboard. So first of all, guys, if you don't have these indicators, you can contact me and you can get it, and you can contact me on WhatsApp. That is 9231867328851. Okay. Moreover, guys, I talk about the usage of these indicators in my live streaming as well, so that my traders must know that how to use these indicators as well. So I will highlight something based on the 1 hour chart because mostly when I use the indicators, I used start from the 1 hour chart and then you can go up to the monthly. It completely depends on you. So guys, during this session, when we will continue the trading session right now, so if you will have any questions, you can ask during this live session. That's not a problem. So you can ask your questions in this live session. So basically, this live session is arranged just so that you can communicate with me and you can also highlight your questions so that I can answer your questions. So first of all, the gold chart is opened in front of me, and if you look at the gold chart, then if we make a trend line here, then guys, you can clearly see the market is making the upward pattern on gold. However, it was going into the downward direction previously, but right now the pattern that shows us a bullish pattern. Okay. So basically, the lower red boundary is the oversold levels, and the top red boundary is the overbought levels. So overbought level states that if any candle goes inside the top red boundary, and if you see a clear rejection from that level, for example, if the market goes into the top red boundary here, and if you see that the market is getting the rejection from this level, then you can sell this pair based on this indicator. Okay. And if it further states that if the market comes below the middle dotted line, then you can sell more. Like for example, this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. There was selling opportunity on the next candle. Okay, so if the market continues its behavior above the middle dotted line, for example, let's talk about this candle. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line. Then, guys, you can see the next candle has also went up. So you can use this indicator just for scalping purposes when you are talking about the middle dotted lines. However, you can plan long trades into the lower red boundary and into the top red boundary. Okay, so let's have a look here. So what this so basically there is another indicator attached to it as well, that's price action monitor. It basically highlights you about the possible next trend. Look, it's turned into green, giving you a bullish signal right now. But overall, I do not consult this indicator very much. However, I would prefer to go with the forex trend dashboard. That's very important indicator, and that's what I believe this is kind of a must tool a trader should have when we talk about the forex trend indicator. So guys, look at here. On the overlay, it's showing you maximum up signs. Only we have one down sign here on the overlay. If you look at on the gold here, you can see one down signs, rest are the upward signs. So it means that it's bullish on gold on the basis of the 1 hour as per the trend indicator. However, if you consult the daily chart, then it's telling you the down, 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 and only one up with the forex trend dashboard. Let me take you towards the trend dashboard here, so you can see the market is below the middle dotted line. So guys, we normally assume that if the market is below the middle dotted line, we do not prefer particular pair, we prefer to sell that pair. So overall, it just hit the middle dotted line. So let's see how the market behaves tomorrow. So if it goes above the middle dotted line on the daily, then you will have a chance to take a buy position on gold. Otherwise, it means that if the market can get the rejection from that level, then you can trust daily trend dashboard sign. Okay, welcome to all subscribers who are just into the trading room. So guys, while we will also talk about the technical analysis of the market. Moreover, guys, if you want to analyze any pair that you want me to do the analysis on any particular pair, then please post your comment here into the in the trading room so that I can open that pair. I can attach indicators and I will give you the technical analysis. Moreover, those subscribers who do not have this trading system, they contact me on WhatsApp or they can leave their email on info@200forexpips.com. So both you have the options. WhatsApp you can contact as well as on the on the WhatsApp as well and on the info@200forexpips.com. And those subscribers who are willing to book their coaching sessions with me, I mean, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report that is completely based on a trick. And if you want to learn that trick, I give the coaching for 3 days on Skype, and after 3 days you will be master of the trading. And if you want to book your coaching sessions, then still you need to contact me on WhatsApp or you can email me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, I have given the analysis based on the gold that on the daily it's showing us the downtrend. However, if you are going to scalp the market on the 1 hour, then things are bullish as per the trend dashboard indicator. So basically, this trend dashboard is completely different from the red boundaries indicator. These are the separate setups, and this is the separate setups. Both have the different prices. So if you want to get this, you can contact me on WhatsApp or you can also email me. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to talk about the Euro USD. So guys, look at this power of this indicator. Look at there. Euro USD is pumping up. So where it went into the oversold levels of the trading system, and after that you have seen that the market starts to pump up. So there was 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours very perfect chance to take a buy position on the Euro USD. There was a very good chance. If we talk about the 4 to 5 hours before, it was a very good chance to take a buy position on Euro USD. And still, if we look at the pattern, then overall, if you look at here, the market is still making the bullish pattern. Let me take you towards the 1 minute chart. So guys, please note that I'm not asking you to trade the 1 minute because I do not believe in the 1 minute chart. But just for the sake of giving you a test example, you can see here. So from 1 minute, we have seen a sound upward trend. And look, when the market closes below the middle dotted line, then you can see the market was going into the downward direction. So let's see what could be the next move on the Euro USD. So this is the 1 hour chart, and we can trace the momentum of the market based on the 1 minute candle. So you know that when you are trading the 1 minute chart, most of the people like to trade the binary options. They trade the 1 minute chart. So overall, this indicator is telling us that Euro USD is weak right now because it's below the middle dotted line. But as you know, the volatility is very much high on the 1 minute. So that's why I do not focus on this one, because I go on the basis of the hourly chart. That's what I explained. And now look at the hourly candle. It's slightly pumping up. So what is this? What this means that if we talk about the right now, the time is 10:37 p.m. by my time. So it means that still 23 minutes to go with this hourly candle, and it's slightly up. So it means that it has maximum chances that the market can make the upward momentum on Euro USD. So this is for the binary traders who just want to scalp the market for a shorter period of time. They can try their chances on. I mean, if the market comes up above the middle dotted line, then you will see that the market can go into the further upward direction. Otherwise, the market can go into the downward direction. So overall, let me take you towards the trend dashboard indicator. Okay, now look at the trend dashboard indicator. You can see only we have one down sign of on 1 minute, and rest everything is into the upward side. So guys, in this way, you can easily find the trend of a particular currency pair, and on any time frame, this trend dashboard indicates you the trend. Like it's completely up. It means that you are not going to take a sell chance on Euro USD. In fact, you are going to take a buy chance on this one, and that's a very good example that I have put in front of you, that we normally trust on the 1 hour chart. Yes, better is this, that the higher the time frame, the most reliable can be the results. So overall, this 1 minute chart is just for the demonstration that you people can understand the reality of the trading system. Okay, fine. So let's have a look. It touched the middle dotted line, reversed back. This candle is also pumped a little bit back. So let me give you a demonstration here so that you can understand. So let's see if it's going to break the middle dotted line or not on the basis of the a 1 minute, because this is the 1 minute chart that I have open for your subscribers. So let's see what the market is going to do. Overall, the momentum is not very much high during that time. So basically, we are doing the coaching session when the momentum is less in the market, because during the daytime, we have seen that the momentum is normally high. So let's see that either it's going to break the middle dotted line or not, because I have told you that if the market breaks the middle dotted line, the market has maximum stability to go into the upward direction. But if it breaks the middle dotted line below, then only we have a downward trend. But on the 1 hour, if you look at here, then things are perfect for going with a buy position. Okay, so let's see what's going on with your USD. It's still pumping down, unable to find the right direction till now. So overall, if we make a trend line from here to here, then you can see overall many minutes have been passed and the market is still waiting up. Sorry, going up. And guys, if you have any questions, you can simply ask during this coaching session, this live trading session, and we will throw some light on the technical analysis as well. And we will be going to cover a few topics about the indicators and the trends. And you can ask your questions meanwhile, that's not an issue. Okay, so right now you can see that the market is just below the middle dotted line. So no problem, we can have a look on the other currency pairs, no issue. Okay, the next one is New Zealand USD. Okay, guys, again, the same thing I will repeat, that we have missed a chance to buy a New Zealand USD. If we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4 hours ago, we have even in the 5th hour, the New Zealand USD is making the upward pattern. So why this is? Because if you look at here, the market went into the oversold levels, and after that the market starts to gain a boost from that level, and you can see still it's going up. So overall, a very perfect trading setup was there to enter into the trade. So overall, I was also not in front of my screen. So overall, it's a good trading setup. Let me take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay, first of all, before I go to the 1 minute chart, let me show you here. So look at here, 1 hour, it's showing maximum ups for extend dashboard. And this is the oversold levels of the market. The market starts to pump up. Going to the 1 minute. Okay, guys, look at this perfect example that I want to teach you on your USD I was talking about here. Look at this candle. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line. So as per this trading system, if the market closes above the middle dotted line, the market has a further chance to get the growth. And you can see that look at these three candles, the market has went up. This is what I was exactly talking about, that it's a very good indicator if you use it wisely. Look, the market closes above the middle dotted line, then it again make the bullish pattern, and New Zealand USD has gone up on the one basis of the 1 minute. So I'm again repeating, I do not want you to trade 1 minute. Just I want to give the demonstration here so that you can understand that how things work into the forex market. However, if you ask me, I would prefer to trade with the 1 hour chart, and 1 hour chart looks bullish to me, and everything was perfect. And even you look at here, the last previous few candles, you cannot find a single bearish candles in the last 3 to 4 candles. So that's how you need to enter the market at the right time. So let's say, based on the 1 hour, if the market goes below the middle dotted line, then we can expect a downward trend. But however, this is the 1 minute chart, so we cannot predict the market so easily based on the 1 minute chart, because you know that the volatility is so much high always on 1 minute chart. So meanwhile, you can watch this market. Overall, the momentum is slow on New Zealand USD, but however, we have discussed it. And if you have any questions, guys, you can simply ask your questions during this trading session. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, those who are watching my live stream, they can simply get the benefit from asking your questions during this live session, and I will simply answer to your questions, so that because some traders must have questions with them, so you can simply ask during the trading session. Guys, I again repeat that those subscribers who do not have this trading system, they can contact me on my WhatsApp if you're willing to get the Forex trend dashboard, or if you are willing to get the red boundary indicator setup. Both are different, and if you want to get this, and you can contact me on this my WhatsApp, and you can contact on info@200forexpips.com as well. So you have both choices. Okay, so let's go to the another pair. So that's it is Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, again, the same thing is going on. Look, the market went into the oversold levels, and after that, the market starts to make a upward momentum, and you can see that the market is pumping up on Great Britain Pound USD. So it was a very good chance to take your buy position from here to here because there was no single bearish candle at the moment from the last 3 hours, and Great Britain Pound USD has pumping up. Okay, and if we go to the 1 hour chart, then only one down sign, sorry, two down signs, rest are, sorry, three down signs, rest are bullish. But if you are not very much clear, you can consult the daily trend as well. So daily was a maximum up from the trend dashboard indicator, and that's why it has also moved up. So going back to the now I will take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay guys, look, this candle is below the middle dotted line on the 1 minute, so it has chances to go further down. So as per the trading system here, but overall, you know that the volatility is always so much high on the 1 minute, so it's not easy to predict like this. But overall, it's into the weaker zone right now, into the Great Britain Pound USD. But if you find such type of scenario based on the 1 hour, then you can assume this is a very perfect trading setup. Okay guys, look at this candle. Look at this candle deeply. Why? It was below the middle dotted line. That's why it's making the bearish pattern. So if you find such type of trading setup on the 1 hour chart, that would be very advisable, because I do not personally trust on the 1 minute chart, because that's it's not a good, as per my opinion, it's not a good chart to trade any pair. So 1 hour is the minimum chart that if you have to consult, that's what I focus in my coaching sessions and whatever. Look at here, it's making the bullish momentum overall. So why I am saying you to focus on the 1 hour, because it has chances it can go up even it's below the middle dotted line, but it will have less chances when we talk about the hourly candle. If you Because hourly candle, if you look at here, then it's pumping up, it has a chances to go further up. That's why I more emphasize on the 1 hour, not on the 1 minute chart. So guys, let's watch this candle. So let's see that how it behaves. So let's watch this candle, that either it's going to go into the downward side or not. Overall, the momentum is right now a bit slow, because you know that we are doing the live session during the second session of the day. So overall, if you look at here, still the market is below the middle dotted line. So if you find such a type of trading setup on the 1 hour, then guys, you know that your all fingers is going to be into the milk, because it's going to be a very good trading setup. If this type of setups come onto the 1 hour, then I would prefer to sell that pair. Okay, now look at here. Just based on the 1 minute, you can assume it can go up. Otherwise, it has chances to go down. Because why I am talking about above? Because the hourly candle has pumped up, and that's coming from the oversold levels of the trading system. But right now, it's making the bearish pattern. That's fine with us. That's not a problem. So guys, those subscribers who are watching my live stream, so if you have any questions, so guys, you can ask your questions during that live session. That's not an issue. I will answer to your questions. So if you have any valid questions, you can simply contact in the chat box. You can use the chat box option and you can contact me regarding your questions, and I will answer to your questions. Okay, right now, look at here. Look at this. The transformation is coming. Look, what's going on? It's very simple. The market was below the middle dotted line. That is why it's making the bearish pattern. Okay, look at here again. So that's why I do not emphasize on the 1 minute chart, but overall for the demonstration, I'm telling you that you can have a look at the market. That this trading system is very easy. I mean, if you watch this live presentation, because this is not a recorded session, this is just the live market what is going on. So overall, it's into the weaker zone, and the market has still chances to go down. So let's see what happens next. So guys, what do you think? Will the market go down or will the market go up? Because you will be going to learn from your mistakes. So if you contribute your part during this live session, then I will be able to guide you properly as per your question and answers as well. So what do you think, guys? Will it go up or go into the downward size? What is your opinion about it? Okay, right now still it's below the middle dotted line. So guys, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me in the chat box. You can simply contact me during the chat box session, and you will find there is a option to chat with me. So you can also chat with me as per the trading system. If you have any questions about the trading system, you can simply ask me in this trading session. Okay. Okay, guys, right now you can see it's making the bearish pattern, but overall the market is a bit slow. I mean, you know that we are doing that. We are going to do the technical analysis at 10 p.m. So it's not easy because the market is very much slow during that time. So look at here. Overall, small candles and weak candles are appearing. No bullish signs till now. Let's see. But overall, if you go back to the hourly candle, then look, things are bullish. But overall, it was a very good chance if you had buy at that Great Britain pound USD from that particular level because it has went up. So guys, one candle give you more than 200, 300 per trade if you are using a good account size. Okay, look at here. Look, why it's pumping down again. I'm repeating, guys. That's what I was talking about. That's why I put the line on the screen. So why? Because the candle was closed below the middle dotted line and then it was getting into the weaker side, and that's why it's pumping down. So I'm again repeating, if you find such type of trading opportunity on the 1 hour chart, then guys, do not miss that opportunity because you can simply get the $1,000 from a simple trade. That's there no such type of simple indicator. Look guys, it touched my line that I have drawn in front of you because I was expecting that the market is closed below the candle was closed below the middle dotted line. So it has a chance it can go further down. And guys, you have seen on the screen that everything was in front of you. The live market is going on, and you have seen by your eyes that the market has touched the line that I have posted here. So basically, why? Because it was closed below the middle dotted line, so there was a weaker sign on that time. Okay, so guys, are you understood with this concept? I hope that this concept must be understood by you people right now, that the market was closed below. What I mean by market, basically guys, I talk about the current price action, that the candle was closed below the middle dotted line. Then you can see the next candles were down into the bearish sign. So if you uh, find such type of trading setup on 1 hour, then do not miss that trading setup because this is a very good trading setup to go with this. Okay, guys, now look at this power of the trading system, how sweetly it has given you the direction of the market. So, very easy. Okay, hopefully you like the live stream till now. So, guys, if you like the live stream, then please press the like button as well so that I can throw more knowledge with you people. And don't be miser by clicking the like button so that I can see that you people are appreciating the work that I am giving to you right now. So if you like this video, this live streaming, then please press your like button so that I can see. And meanwhile, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask during the chat box. Why don't you use the chat box instead of watching the market? You can also ask your questions so that it can help you. I mean, this is the no cost coaching session with you. So basically, we are doing the live streaming and we are doing the technical analysis of the market. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the USD JPY. Okay, guys, if you look at the USD JPY trend dashboard, so what it is highlighting you at the first instant. So if you look at here, then it is telling you down, 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 maximum down signs, and everything looks down. Mostly few ups and rest are down. So, guys, one thing about this trading system. Look, this is the oversold levels of the market. I'm talking about the lower red boundary. So the market hasn't come into the lower red boundary till now, but overall, once it get the momentum, like for example, this. So maybe sometimes it went into the upward side from the after touching the blue red boundary, and sometimes it go into the lower red boundary, and then after that it pumps up. So it depends on the market. It does not depend on the trading system. So basically, we are just here to analyze the market in a best way. Okay, so right now you can see the market is still making the bearish pattern. So it does not mean that you are going to the trade section and you are going to open a buy position that it touched the red boundary. This will be completely wrong approach because the market hasn't started a bullish momentum till now. So what the bullish momentum is called, look at this trading setup. Look at this one. The bullish candle, the next candle is bullish, and slightly it was pumping up, and this candle was closed above the middle dotted line. The next candle also pumped up. So this is the power of this trading system. This is the demonstration. If you reverse the demonstration that I given to you on Great Britain Pound USD, because it was a down scenario on that time on the 1 minute, okay, and look, it's reversing right now, okay, and here we have the buy scenario. So on that Great Britain Pound USD, it was going below the middle dotted line. That's why it was going down. But here the things are quite different, because if you look at here, the market was closed above the middle dotted line on this candle. I'm going to remove this trend line so that you people can watch it. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line. That's why the next candle has gone into the upward side. Okay, then this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. Let's see now the again concept that I described on Great Britain Pound USD, that implies here. This candle was closed below the middle dotted line. Look at the next candle. This candle completely went into the downward direction. That's what I am trying to say you, that this trading system is very powerful if you use it with the middle dotted line. Even it's very powerful in the red boundaries as well, but overall you will find maximum chances to take the positions during the middle dotted line. So right now, overall, if you go to the 4 hour chart, I mean, if you go to the 4 hour chart, look at here, guys. Now you should answer because I'm going to raise a question here, and you will answer, and I will also tell you about it. Look, what should be the signal? I mean, what should be the next trend right now? Down or up? So simply, if you look at this candle is pumping below the middle dotted line. This candle has came below the middle dotted line. So we should expect a further downward trend on USD JPY. So for example, I have drawn the line here. So maybe the market can go down up to here, because it's making the downward pattern. Previously, it was going up. It was closed above the middle dotted line. The next candle pumped up, but you know that the market has to reverse at any area. So it has decided to get reversed from that level, but this candle was unable to close below the middle dotted line. The next candle starts to go below, and then it's completely under the middle dotted line. That's why you should prefer to take the selling opportunities on USD JPY, not buying, because it has changed its pattern on USD JPY. Hopefully guys, this concept will be clear to you as well. So guys, I will try my best to do the live trading sessions every day with you, so that I can throw some light on the trading sessions, and I can guide you more about the indicators, as well about the my technical analysis of the market. Look, guys, the strong move came here on AUD USD. I have switched my chart to AUD USD. Look what happened. The market went into the oversold levels. After that, starts to pump up. So first bullish confirmation came from this candle. The first candle that went bullish, and the next candle pumped up, and the next candle pumped above the middle dotted line. So guys, look at this thing again. This candle is closed above the middle dotted line. What happened to the next candle? The next candle also pumped up. Even the next candle, still it's pumping up. And if we go to the trend dashboard, look at here. 1 hour up, daily up, 4 hour up, everything is up. I mean, it is not indicating you a single downward chance. It is, however, indicating you that the market can go further into the upward direction. But you have to look at and watch the resistance of the markets all the time. So I mean, you have to be over smart as well, because we cannot 100% rely on the indicators. However, these are the top indicators that normally forex traders consult, and that very experienced. This is the top indicator consulted by the top traders. But overall, you should be also active with the indicators, because you cannot rely on indicators 100%. So if, for example, let me talk about this. For example, if we had the resistance up to here, so instead of buying, you should wait for the market that either it's going to cross above the if it's going to break this resistance or not. So for example, if it breaks the resistance, then guys, wait for some hours, and after that take a buy trade. But if it's not going to break the resistance, and if it starts to pump down after touching the resistance level, then it means that if it is indicating you the upward trend, then you need to be a little bit smart here, and you will not trigger any trade. If it gets the rejection from that level, then you will take a sell position on that particular pair. So basically, you have to take care about the support and resistances levels while you are trading the indicators. Okay, let me have a look on the 1 minute chart. What's going on? Oh, look at here, guys. So what happened? This candle is pumped below the middle lot line, but it hasn't closed till now. Let's see that either this is going to close below the middle dotted line or not. And let's see what will happen to the next candle if it closes below the middle dotted line. So basically, you know that on the 1 hour, the market can have a good pressure, but overall, the 1 minute is very volatile. So it's not easy to predict 1 minute. You know that it's really not easy because it's just like candle to candle trading when we talk about the 1 minute. If even if you ask about the expert trader, then he will also not be going to predict the 1 minute candle. For example, if you ask me what could be the next candle, that's really hard. But overall, it could be bearish because the market is closed. This candle is closed below the middle dotted line. So overall, this candle has a chance to further go down. Let's see that either it's going to go down, but overall it's always hard to predict this thing. If I remove this indicator from the chart, then it will be quite difficult to understand what the market can make the next candle, because it's not easy to prepare to predict the next candle based on the 1 hour, 1 minute. That's why, guys, I prefer always to go with the 1 hour, because 1 hour chart is a very sound chart to communicate sorry, it is to consult at least. So let's see here. It's making a bullish pattern, but it still doesn't closes above the middle dotted line. If it goes above the middle dotted line, then only we can expect that the market can go into the further upward direction. But however, if it's not, then it's not going to go down. Okay, so it's pumping above the middle dotted line. Let's see where it gets a close. Close is very important. Okay, so overall, you must have analyzed the market based on the 1 hour. That will tell you. Okay, still, it's trying to get below the middle dotted line. Let's see what could be the final close, because each candle has a time of 1 minute. Okay, guys, so basically, if it touched that line, then I will tell you one thing. If it touched that line, I will tell you one thing, and that will be very, very simple for you. Okay, let's have a wait. Let's wait more. Let's see if it's going to touch that line or not that I have posted. Okay, still doesn't touch that line. Let's wait more. So guys, what do you think? You can also chat with me during this during the chat box. So it's not an issue. If you have any questions about any particular pair, about the if you want me to give a technical analysis on any particular pair, then you can ask about the technical analysis on that particular pair in this coaching session. So we are doing live trading. We are talking about the live market. So I will try my best to help you with the possible trend that you will tell me about any currency pair. Then I will definitely go with that. Okay, guys, you're watching the live stream. So if you have any questions, you can simply ask during this live session. Do not hesitate to ask your questions. So that's not a problem. And we will talk about the questions here. So meanwhile, okay, guys, the market is a bit slow. Okay, however, let me tell you guys why it went down. I mean, it's almost touched almost not properly, but almost touched the line that I have given you. So guys, basically, this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. After waiting for the one candle, the next candle starts to go down, and it almost went near to our line that I have posted here. Okay, right now it's again back above the middle dotted line, but overall, guys, you cannot easily predict the market at that levels, because it's just I mean, if I move this line to here, it's called the ranging market. So market is ranging right now. Let's see where it's going to decide its next pattern. Okay, hopefully the concept is clear that why it's making the bearish pattern, because this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. That's why the pattern is coming downward. And if you look at the direction of this indicator, look, it's directed downward on the 1 minute. And do not forget that, guys, we have a bullish opportunities on the 1 hour chart that we have just missed, because already the market has made the upward pattern. And guys, one thing that you need to be careful about, one thing, and you need to focus on that thing while you are trading this trading market. Never buy anything when the price is too much high. So for example, let's say if USD goes further upward and it goes to the maximum where we have a resistance, then never buy any particular pair when the market is at the top, and never sell any pair when the market is already down. So this is the key element of the trading market. I mean, it's just like the you people do the shopping from the superstores, that you prefer to buy those products which are having the lowest price at a particular level at particular time. And if you are a reseller, then you will prefer to sell a particular product when the price is high. So this is how you need to deal with this forex market. This is not wise that you are just going to the 1 minute and you are just assuming that the market can go up, and simply based on this you are going to open any trade. This will be completely a wrong approach. Okay guys, look at this candle. This candle is closed above the middle dotted line, so maybe this is going to pump up in the next couple of candles. But overall guys, I again repeat that this is the 1 minute chart where the volatility is so much high. So if you want to be very safe, then you will have to consult the hourly chart, because hourly chart will have a maximum trading safety, and it will give you the more benefit from using the trading system. Because on the 1 minute, definitely things are very much volatile. It's not easy to predict the market. Okay guys, those subscribers who are watching this live stream, so if you have any questions, you can use the chat box option and you can communicate with me right now. And also those subscribers who do not have the trading system, and if you want to get it, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 923186732851. I again repeat, 923186732851. Or guys, you can also contact me on, I'm just putting the email here, info@200forexpips.com. So I have both options for you people to communicate with me. You can send an email on info@200forexpips.com, and you can contact me on WhatsApp, that is plus 923186732851. So you can get the copy of these indicators. You can contact me. Okay guys, look at here. This candle was closed above the middle dotted line. What's going on with the current candles? The market is pumping up. So if you get such a chance, if you get such chance on the 1 hour, then it can fulfill your dreams as per the, I mean, if you talk about the money management and everything, and the market can get a bullish pressure from that levels. Because 1 hour is very much get the very much stability, whereas the 1 minute is very much volatile. However, you can see how strongly it's pumping up. So if you get such pattern on the 1 hour, then you can simply get the very much benefit from the trading system. This trading system is very easy. I have told you, above the middle dotted line buy, below the middle dotted line you need to sell. So this is how you need to deal with the trading system. So hopefully guys, this is clear for you. And now let's talk about the USD CHF. Okay, what's going on here? So overall, a loose momentum is coming here. Look at here on the trend dashboard. Simply it's telling you that everything is set for the downward pressure. It's into the downward pressure. However, I'm on the 1 hour right now. So guys, look at there, slight bullish candle is appeared above the middle dotted line. But overall, if you look at the momentum here, this is kind of a loose momentum. This is not a very good momentum. So it's not easy to predict. I will say that I do not consider this size candles when we talk about any confirmations. So this is not a good confirmation. The candle size is very loose. So we cannot consider it a good pattern. Going to the 1 minute. So guys, middle dotted line is closed below the middle dotted line. The next candle pumped down. So basically, if you get such type of trading setup on the 1 hour, this could be a very useful trading opportunity. Okay guys, please tell me one thing. Are you able to see my screen clearly, or is it kind of a blur? Please tell me, any subscribers who is watching this live stream. So please tell me, is my screen blur or is that perfectly fine to watch? So any one of you who is watching this live stream, can anyone answer this question, please? Sorry, fast race said why. I don't know. Yes, about what? Okay, good. Okay, is that clear? So please write, just write clear or unclear. Is that blur or is that clear? Just write down this. Okay, Elliot. Elliot, thank you so much for joining this. Okay, yes, Elliot. Basically, when we do the live stream, okay, thank you, Fast X-rays, Fast Rays Rex. Thank you. You have mentioned about this. Okay, Elliot, thank you very much. You have joined the session again. because you were into the previous live streamings as well. So you remember that you were into the previous live streamings and you were communicating with me. So guys, look at here. It's closed below the middle dotted line, and now look at here. The downward pressure is coming as per the trading system. Okay, but this is the 1 minute chart. So guys, if you find such type of trading setups on the 1 hour, that could be a very good option. Like this candle closed below. If this is the 1 hour candle, then you take a sell position simply with a good lot size, and look, the next two candles were down, and you should immediately take a profit from the trading market and then exit. However, if we go to the 1 hour, then 1 hour is slightly, I mean, above the middle dotted line. But guys, I again repeat, this is not called a good confirmation because the candle size is very much low. So if you ask me personally, would I like to trade USD CHF? Then my answer will be simply no, because the momentum and the candle size is not much suitable for me. This is kind of a no momentum for me. So I do not prefer, because I at least follow the 1 hour chart at the instance. Okay. I do not consult the 1 minute chart, but I am just consulting the 1 minute chart just to in order to give the presentation that how this trading market behaves it actually. So how you should look the market, with what type of eyes you need to look the market. So overall, it's everything is down, so you have to go with the downward direction. Okay, at next we are going to talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, if you look at the USD Canadian dollar, look what's going on. Maximum downs, no up. Everything is into the downward direction as per the trend dashboard indicator. Guys, I am again repeating, do not get confused with this thing. The red boundary indicator is something else and the trend dashboard indicator is something else. These are both different indicators. And Elliot, also, if you do not have the copy of the trend dashboard, you can contact me on WhatsApp. That's 92 plus 31867328851. Or you can leave your email on info@200forexpips.com. That's a separate indicator. So if you want to get a more useful tool in your trading market, then guys, you can contact me for this. If you don't have the trend dashboard indicator, I advise everyone to have this, because this is a very powerful indicator and everyone should have. Okay guys, look, the market is still above the middle dotted line, but what's going on? Look, it touched the overbought levels of the market, and then after it starts to pump down, and still it's pumping up. And even if you look at here, I have two red arrows from the scalper. The one indicator that I am using, this is called scalper, and that gives the signal in the form of arrows, and you can see it's highlighting you the downward pressure. So let me take you towards the 1 minute chart on USD Canadian dollar. Okay guys, look at this. Look at this. We have just missed a chance here. Okay, 1 minute. Look, from here to here, it was a perfect gap to take a sell position, because this candle was closed below the middle dotted line. The next candles are supposed to pump down, and it has made the downward pattern. I'm going to put a trend line here so that you people can understand clearly. Look, it's a downward pattern. This is not a upward pattern. So guys, this is called the trading with the flow of the market. If you find such type of pattern on the 1 hour, and if you see that the market is getting the rejection, then guys, you need to sell the pair. It's not the time to buy. So if you ask me, then normally I'm thinking that the market can go up to 1.29205 on USD Canadian dollar, because right now it's making the bearish pattern. So it will touch the it has many chances to touch the middle dotted line, and after that it can decide its further directions. Overall, I'm bearish on USD Canadian dollar. At next, we have Great Britain Pound JPY. So if you look at the chance here, like 3 hours before, we have missed a chance on Great Britain Pound JPY. That was a perfect buying time. Okay, but still, if you ask me, on the 1 hour, it's a time to go still into the upward side on Great Britain Pound JPY. If you look at here, we have only 3 downs, rest are up. But overall, the daily trend is also into the upward direction, only with a 1 down, and it's still highlighting the bullish pressure. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. Okay guys, the 1 minute is trying to close above the middle dotted line. Let's see what's going on. But overall guys, just make sure that during that time the momentum is a bit slow. So it's really hard to predict the market during that time, because the momentum is not very much good during the time that we are going to do the trading session. So overall, just look at this market, that it's trying to pump above the middle dotted line. So guys, if it closes above, so until unless the market stays above the middle dotted line, we can expect a further boost. I mean, the market can further go into the upward side. just based on the 1 hour. This is the 1 minute chart, so do not get confused with this. Basically, why I'm opening the 1 minute chart, just for the demonstration purpose, so that your people should not miss the scenarios when they come to, when things come up to trading based on the 1 hour chart. So overall, if it stays above the middle dotted line, if it doesn't closes below, and if it does not into the range, then everything should be perfect. So meanwhile, guys, those who are watching this trading session, if you have any questions, you can simply ask your questions during that trading session. You can use the chat box option and you can chat with me. And those subscribers who would want to get the copy of this trading indicators, those who want to book their copies, they need to contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is +923186732851. Or you can leave an email to info@200forexpips.com. You have the both options, so it depends on you how you are going to communicate with me. So guys, still this candle was unable to closes below the middle dotted line. Still it stays above the middle dotted line. So I have told you one thing, until unless the market stays above the middle dotted line, you have to go with a bullish sign, not with a bearish sign, right? So it has chances to get a further growth, but on the 1 hour, if we look at the 1 hour, yes, I told you that it has chances to go further up. But overall, we are facing the slow momentum right now, because you know that this is not the volatile time right now when we are going to this live session. So guys, if you have any questions, you can simply use the chat box option and you can communicate with me, and I will try my best to give the technical analysis on any currency pair or any questions that you have. So I will try my best to give the analysis from my side. Okay guys, so still it's above. I mean, if you look at here, the market still stays above. Let's see if it breaks that level. Then if you find such type of pattern on 1 hour, then it could be easy. But overall, on the 1 minute, do not forget that the market is coming into the upward side from the oversold levels. So do not forget this thing. This is the difference, guys, because you guys trade the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, and 15 minute chart. This is absolutely wrong. You need to at least consult the 1 hour chart, but I'm consulting the 1 minute chart only because I just want to give the demonstration and I'm comparing it with the 1 hour. So I am not advising you to trade the 1 minute chart, because if you ask me, there is no 1 minute trading strategy. Okay. So if anyone says there is a 1 minute trading strategy, I think he should be wrong, because I do not personally believe that there is any 1 minute trading strategy. There is no 1 minute trading strategy. The basic strategies start from the 1 hour, and you can get the benefit from the 1 hour at least. Okay, guys, let's go to the second last pair, that is called Euro JPY. And Euro JPY, if we look at the momentum, then guys, you can see the market has already went into the upward side. So it has gone up. And right now, one more thing I want to highlight here. Look at the bands. The bands are very narrow to each other. I'm talking about the red boundary bands. These both are very narrow to each other. So this is a kind of a symbol sometimes, not all the time, just sometimes, that something is going to happen big in the market. So let's see. So here you need to be very careful. I mean, you have to consult the higher time frames. Look, on the 4 hour, the bands are little bit far from each other. They have a decent gap in between the two bands, two red boundaries. Okay, now look at this pattern. Why this pattern is coming? Look at this. If you have, it depends on you where you are going to trade the market. Trading the 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. That's what I advise minimum, that you should consult the 1 hour, and then it has your chance to go up to the monthly chart. Look, on the 1 hour, now you can count the number of hours. Look, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, 20, 24, 32, 36. Almost from last 36 hours, Euro JPY is making the bullish pattern. Every candle has a 4 minute time frame, and if you look at the 36 hours, last 36 hours on Euro JPY, then the market is making the bullish pattern, because the only reason was this, that the one candle was closed above the middle dotted line. That's why it has gained the further boost. So that's guys, you need to look. I mean, you need to find out from the market watch. You need to watch those pairs who are perfect to trade. It does not mean that everything you are going to put inside here. Let's take an example. So I have told you about USD CHF. This is not a perfect time to trade because it's making the loose candles. Okay, this is not a perfect time. So this is kind of a perfect, that was a perfect time. You should have entered into Euro JPY in a bullish trade, because everything was going into the upper side. So Let me take you towards the 1 minute chart. Okay, at the 1 minute, so overall, guys, a ranging market is coming because if I put the line here, then you can see the market is just dancing over that line. It has gone nowhere. So overall, less volatility is seen on the 1 minute. So overall, you can see it's been stuck here. At last, guys, I would like to throw some light on AUD/JPY. So look at AUD/JPY again. I will repeat same thing. I missed a chance on buying this pair. It completely went from the oversold levels to the upward side, and the market is making the bullish pattern till now. And overall, this candle is also closed above the middle dotted line. And going to the 1 minute, okay, look at this pattern, guys. Look, that's why I say that's a good trading setups. Like if you catch this much gap in the 1 hour, if 1 hour candle closes above the middle dotted line and the next candle you have to go with the bullish direction, you have to buy the pair if the market closes above. And if you look at the trend dashboard, it was also into the upward side, and look, this is a decent gap. It has appeared on the chart. However, if you go to the hourly chart, that is also fine because it has gone from the oversold levels of the trading market. So guys, I'm done with the live stream till now. So guys, if you have any questions, I'm just waiting for 1 minute. It will depend on you that if you have any questions, then I will stay here with you. So if you have any questions, you can ask during this live session, and you can use the chat box here and you can raise your questions. I'm waiting for your questions if you have any. So use the chat box. We will wait for the next 1 minute and let's see if you have any questions, because today I have given you the technical analysis on AUD JPY, Euro JPY, Great Britain Pound JPY, USD Canadian Dollar, USD CHF, AUD USD, and USD JPY, Great Britain Pound USD, NZD USD, and the next one was Euro USD, and the first one that I have given was on gold XAU USD. So I have highlighted you that how you need to watch the market, because it's a common thing that I have taken many trading sessions and I have taken many coaching sessions. I normally take coaching sessions every week. So I have taken so many coaching sessions, and what I have learned from my sessions that you traders have a different approach towards trading. I mean, you watch the market with some other eyes. That's not. I mean, this is quite this. I just want to say that something is wrong with the eye that you see with the market. This is not as easy as we think, but if you have the right tools, if you have the money management skills, and if you are going to use the indicators with a very good manner, like I have explained in this trading session. Like we have done the trading session for 52 minutes till now, and we have talked about the very useful things into the trading session, and hopefully I will continue the series of these coaching sessions, these live streamings from the next days as well. So tomorrow again we are going to do the coaching sessions, live sessions, so that we can do with this. And those subscribers, one thing I want to highlight here, those subscribers who are willing to book their coaching sessions, I'm open to the coaching sessions from tomorrow. Thanks for the gift of this live streaming. Thank you, Elliot, brother. Thank you so much. So Elliot, hopefully you have also learned from this coaching session as well. So guys, if you want to book your coaching session with me, I mean, I have a special 3 days coaching session in which I teach my subscribers how they can generate their own signals on any currency pair. So if you want to join that coaching session for 3 days, then you need to immediately book their sessions with me on by contacting me on WhatsApp, that is +923186732851, or you can also leave an email to info@200forexpips.com. But mostly I'm mostly active on WhatsApp, so you can contact me immediately. If you are willing to book your coaching session, if you are willing to get the red boundary indicator setups, if you are willing to get the forex trend dashboard, you have to specify me that either you are interested in the red boundary indicator setups, because these are the different two things. The trend dashboard is the separate thing, and the red boundary indicators are the separate indicators. So if you are willing to get them, you need to contact me on my WhatsApp. And if you are willing to subscribe to my signal service, or guys, if you are willing to get these indicators or booking your coaching session, then you need to contact me on +923186732851. This is my contact number. You can contact me on WhatsApp, or guys, in case if you are going to leave an email, then you can leave your email on info@200forexpips.com. So for all inquiries, you can contact me here. I'm again repeating That +923186732851. That's my WhatsApp, and that's info@the rate of 200forexpips.com. That's my contact email. You can contact me regarding these both indicators. So you can see this is the one indicator trading setup, and where you get the red boundary indicator, the arrow one, and the third one, this one. This is the separate. This is a separate thing, and this is the separate one, the trend dashboard. So you can contact me regarding these indicators. So guys, we will again do the coaching, the live streaming, hopefully same time by tomorrow, and hopefully more subscribers will be there to join, and they can get benefit from the coaching that we will do in the live streaming, and we will do the some sort of live analysis of the market. So guys, thank you very much. So staying with me, and hopefully you like this live streaming. So thank you very much, everyone. So now let me go from the screen. So okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.